gonna hate. I'm just gonna shake. Shake it off.
Shake it off. Oh. You got that stuck in my head now, Eric Bug.
Come on, look.
What am I looking at? All the birds? Yeah.
It really is interesting.
Because you are what girl?
You.
What girl are you? No. You know what you say, you're what girl? What girl are you? You are no, not nature girl, science girl you normally say. Because of what?
I know English.
You're a science girl because you know English.
Only not math, I only know English.
You don't know maths, you only know English. I feel really sorry for your baby in there. Because you are a crazy driver of a buggy for a baby. Poor fella. I said, poor fella. Who have you brought with you? Who? Woofy. Where is Woofy? Let's see Woofy. Hey Woofy. I can't see ya. Hey. Let me see Woofy. Horror. Daddy knew your siren. Yeah?
Again.
Huh?
I'm trying to do my pathway.
We have. Well done. Good job, Echo. Play's gonna play. Who's gonna hate. I'm just gonna shake it up, shake it up. I think we better wait for Daddy. We don't have to, but should we wait for Daddy?
No.
Oh, what? Come on, you. Let's wait here for Dad. He's already coming, is he? Oh, yeah. There they are. Let's wait anyway. Come on, little miss. Science.